Today we'll be learning about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a place, person, or thing. It tells us more about a noun. In Bemba, the prefix used for an adjective depends on the class of the object being described. Some of the following examples will have a prefix and others will simply have a root word. This will be a 3-part video. Moneni Amashiwi ayapilibula ciBemba mukabokoshi akalipe samba. Adjectives in Bemba translated to English. Loa, sweet. Lula, bitter. Musuma or uwayemba means attractive, so beautiful or handsome. Kolwa, to be drunk or intoxicated. Lepa is tall. Ipi is short. Uwukulu or kalamba means big. Unono is small. Uwafina means heavy. To explain more about short, because ipi is the root word, when we say ulukasu uluipi, we mean a short hoe, and a hoe in this case is an agricultural instrument. And this is from the Bemba book by Gray and Walia. Or Ali umuipi means he was short, and this is from the Bible Society ciBemba Bible. This is a list of all our adjectives. Thank you so much for watching.